you want to bring him home?
Huh?
Like you want to bring him home?
Yeah, for my cat tree. And the Nikki don't have one, so bring her to my cat tree.
The cat tree?
Yeah, I have a cat tree for Sparkle. But Dorothy can use it. For Sparkle?
Don't make your dog and get him, you know.
Huh?
No, the dog
Yeah. I'm gonna be careful because I know we have dogs. So I'm gonna be careful, okay? That's not what I'm gonna do.
Our dog and this cat. Alright people, 4th of January. 3rd of January right now. Still there Jamaica, no thing go. This Beyonce. Still there. So we are doing a little vlog in the morning, you know. See what I go on. Only thing the people. The next man join the blood club battery light one cold stove.
I make a light for them.
You say you ask
Yeah. Back, looking at van back if you see
That's the back there.
Pass it, see there. When I
Man, they get custom to gas cylinder and all these things. Don't forget what we are cook a pot we are run outside right now. This they want to see we want to get the real Jamaican cooking.
Roast breadfruit.
Now we are going to cook all out here too. Fry fish and everything outside. Run the hose like a waterfall like with the river. Breadfruit, them are going to roast people. Those good old breadfruit. Thing go. Is it there? We're still there. Soon left. We're still at the command in the back. Still find on the tree them. So we have a sweet there, we only can guess I'll tell what kind of tree this. So I say what kind of tree this people. See me? So and people will get one cat. This is where we get one cat. I mean name the cat at Jamaica Twinkle. This is where we get a cat so we name him Twinkle. No I think go. I see what kind of tree and a guava. A guava man, see that. You see two little guava them right there, so this is a guava, but they're green. One time they have some ripe one on it, but no, it's not ripe on it. But yeah, we have sweet sap tree. We have all the fruit tree, them have sweet sap. Yeah. Look at sweet sap tree people. You see me? But apart from that, we still there Jamaica guys. We still there Jamaica. So we apparently so have to leave this country here, go back to Trinidad and Tobago. Then we are there Trinidad for the carnival. Then after that we are forward back to Jamaica for Jamaica carnival again. You see me? But people, whole heap of thing going since today, you know. Whole heap of little thing going. Whole heap of thing when I set out to do. I don't get to do it, but you know, when God say, yo, you can't do certain things, you can't do it, so. You see me, when you forward back next time around. You see me, but I'm glad I did the so long. You see me, I say, I enjoy myself. Yeah, we spend Christmas, New Year's. You see me, I say, yeah, and all these things, people, so. Right now, we're going to go and see if we can go and make some look of vlogging while we're here. Before we go up, people, if we go downtown, forget on police record, if we bring back a Trinidad. You see me? So, that we are probably going we couldn't see what we're going to. We have vlog a little bit about that and them things there. But we're still there, people. Just remember to do right, guys. Like, share, subscribe to each channel. As the man say, hit the good bell. See me shape the channel. I will start our next channel when I go back up to people. I start our next channel for like entertainment, vlogging and all these things. You see me? Everything we go in the entertainment world, we can touch upon some of them things there. You see me? We're going to create a next channel for that when we go back up. But right now, we are Jamaica, guys. I think we are Jamaica, so just go and check out the morning scenery. I say this outside of my house. And everything go. And we outside. And stay tuned. You see me?